Hi and welcome to this review of Writerzen. I really sat on the fence about buying this because I've got Frase and I've got some other writing tools. I just wondered if I actually needed it. I'm happy to say that once I bought it and I logged in and I checked it out, it actually complements tools like Frase and the other tools that I've got. So this is the dashboard. You can see you can do topic discovery, content creator and keyword explorer. Got the help area down here, help here, and feedback button here. At the top, you get notifications of what's new, the upgrades, keyword list, and the plan that you are on. So let's just dive in and have a look at some of the tools. Here we have topic discovery, which you can see here. These three tools are reflected here. So topic discovery, we'll have a look at this one here. So active campaign review. I really like this display because you've got cards that you can show ideas and go deeper into the different keywords. But here we've got the one that I'm going to be going with, active campaign review. These are the topics that people have already written about, the subject lines, any related Google searches, active campaign pros and cons. So we actually do something on that. Active campaign review real world. So there's a lot of information here to get rid of a little bit of writer's block. Okay, so once we move on from that, we've got the content creator. So here I've got this. We do one article, etc. So we can click on here. Right, so here we have the outline. So we're going to measure words. So if I did 1,668 words, I'd be longer than 67% of competitors. We'll do a little bit more than that to get to 80%. So I want to do about 2,000 words, it'll be better than 80% of competitors. We can write our title here. We can write a description. We can write a bit of body. We're going to add some lines there. Okay, this is the content that's already there in the top 10. If there's any Google Insights, we'll get them down there. We can open that a little bit further, and we can go down. We can see that the articles here, 1,000 words, 2,000 words. Then we've got 2,000, 3,000 at the top. Next, we go to the keywords that we want to include. That's going to be email marketing. You can see them, they're down here. Marketing automation, that's an important one. Active campaign pricing, we can add that. We can sort by relevance. We've got anything else there. Active campaign automations, yeah, we'll definitely write about that. And here we have the keywords that we want to use. So marketing automation, we should use about 5 times. If we save that and begin writing, here we go. So this bit here is a lot like Frase. So if you have Frase, I think I prefer Phrase's interface or UI. Up here, this is quite important. This gives you a rating on your article. So as you start to write, you will get an improvement. All right, so here if we paste some content in, we can see we've gone up to E. We've got 4 of 8 paragraphs. We've got 0 of 8 images, 212 words. And here we go. We can add, if we typed in active campaign CRM, that goes up and we're good. And we go next to paragraph. Okay, and here's a guide to what we need to do. So pretty good. Lots of information you can use when you're writing, or you can give to your writer to write. Okay. Right, next up, Keyword Explorer. So this is the Keyword Explorer. We can do a deep dive into our keywords, and you can see here, here's all the keyword data. Once again, more ideas for content to write. You can see there's not much here that will get much traffic apart from active campaign review. Then we've got insights. There was nothing for the insights before. Now this is clusters. This is quite useful. And here it shows us keywords that are clustered together. Now, what this means is that the keyword active campaign review will actually rank for all these searches. So if somebody types in active campaign service reviews, we should get traffic, we should appear for that. One thing I don't like, there's a second page there, there's 16 results, but one thing I don't like is this here. This is PPC competition. When I'm writing an article, I don't really care about PPC competition. Okay, I do wish that this was an indicator of how easy our article was to rank. That would be far more useful. Right, if we go back to the start, I will show you here. Now, this is something I actually really like. You can see here, I've got my limit of 3 of 50. Some of these are daily, some of these are monthly. So it would be much better if this had a D or an M next to it. But that's just my view. And we got content creator, 70 pieces of content we can create there. You've got still almost got 200,000 credits. Now, next down here we have plagiarism checker. Very, very useful. 40,000 words per day, so it should be enough for most people. Add your content in there. In fact, because I copied this content from somewhere else, we should fail miserably. As expected, we're a dirty little plagiarist. Not surprising because I copied it from some other site. Okay, so the plagiarism tester does work. In fact, that's exactly where I copied it from. That is good. Finally, there we have keyword importer. So get a keyword list that you get from Ahrefs or Ubersuggest, you can import it into here to use. So that's a review of Writerzen. What do I think? I actually like it. I like it because I can do all my research in one place. It pulls data from Google and I think Ahrefs as well. It's easy to use. The UI is pretty good. As I said, the only thing I'm not too keen on is the content creator, which is here. But I will say that I think I can get used to this pretty quickly. I have got Frase. I could use Frase, but for sheer ease of use of being able to do everything here, then I think I could use this. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, please ask below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks, bye.